So, I've been hearing a lot about this cinnamon challenge, and I'm willing to try it myself. So, I'm scared. Very, very scared. So, but for the heck of it, oops. Okay, I should probably have some water, but I don't want to. So. Disgusting. It was a cry.